Good morning! So today is the 8 years anniversary. 8 years. That's a long time. So in 2 months, we're gonna get married. Today, I'm heading to the DMV. I'm gonna go get the boat registration and gonna go wake up Abby. Well, I gotta go pick up some stuff first, right? So I just got here at the DMV and guess what? There's a freaking line. I don't know why I have to register an inflatable boat, but I gotta do it. So I'll see you guys when I get out. So let me tell you guys what happened. So I went to the DMV to get my boat registered, right? Waited about, I don't know, an hour and a half to go to the front desk. And guess what the lady said? It's not where you register boats. And I was like, oh, this is cars only, eh? She was like, yeah, you have to send in your form in Richmond and wait 3 weeks to get. So F that. We're about to send it and see what happens. But that sucks. I wasted an hour and a half on our anniversary. So now I'm gonna go pick up my surprise and pick up a couple of things and pick up Abby. Yeah, I just arrived here at Edible Arrangement. I'm gonna go get my little surprise for Abby. I already got this. Oh, there she is. Yep. And then get that and some other thing. So I got her this Hello Kitty edible arrangement thing. Yeah, I'll let her open it. So I got those two. Well, she really loves Georgetown cupcakes, but that's far. So I got her second favorite, Duck Donuts. So now I'm gonna go pick her up. Hopefully she's ready so I can give her all this stuff and get the boat loaded up and ready to just chill. Oh, actually we still have to get like breakfast, get some drinks so we don't die out there. So we'll do that. So I just arrived there at her house. So I got her edible arrangement, Hello Kitty style. Got Duck Donuts and a Tiffany & Company as a surprise. Happy anniversary.
I'm naked.
Okay, hold on. I'll see you guys later.
It's time. We are on our way to his house to put the boat on his roof rack, and we are going out, starting our anniversary day adventure.
We would have been out already, but she took forever just to put a freaking swimsuit on.
You gotta shower and like get everything situated, and then put tanning lotion on, let it dry. It takes a little bit longer.
So we're gonna load the boat up and then go to Wawa and get some drinks.
Some snacks, some water, some Gatorade, and some hoagies, because it's Hoagie Fest. Alright. The boat is secured on his roof rack. We are going to Wawa to get our hoagies. We're gonna have sandwiches, chips, and drinks on the water. So that's going to be new and exciting. It's Hoagie Fest right now, so you can get a 10-inch for $5 or a shorty for $4. Super sized.
I hope the boat don't fly away.
It's strapped up, so it should not fly away.
That's why we need a truck. Ford Raptor. Here we come.
The Jeep works just as fine. Raymer got me my favorite duck donuts. Basic glazed donut. It kind of looks a little deflated, but they're fresh and they're warm and they're delicious. We just arrived to Burke Lake Park. It's right over here. We would have got here sooner, but this fool, he just put in maps. Let me go to Braddock Lake.
Lake Braddock.
Lake Braddock. So it took us to a freaking lake behind the neighbor's house, not the actual
I was cool
park.
with it. I was like, nope.
You can't just throw your boat and be like, oh, excuse me, neighbor, let me just use your backyard as a dock. No, you gotta go to the park. Oh, here we are, Burke Lake Park. We just entered and today there was 0 fee. We got in for free. Saves us a couple dollars. The first time the boat has touched the water.
Damn, it's getting hot already.
You should have brought a towel.
Oh, you didn't? You got your blanket.
Okay. Oh, you're floating away. I got you. I thought I saw an alligator. Tell me that looked like an alligator. We made it on the water. It has the motor on. And this is Burke Lake Park. They don't allow any jet skis or like oil motor boats, just electric boats. And that's what we have, battery operated. So we're just spinning in circles. He's trying to get the motor to go on. I'm gonna get tan. I can't wait. Oh, here we go. We're going. We're boating.
So we're going like 5 miles per hour, which is pretty dope. I mean, we're moving.
Yeah, hold on, let me see.
We're moving.
Whee! This is so cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to like somewhere and then we're gonna eat. But we don't know how long our marina battery is gonna last. So we're just gonna run it until it dies and then we're gonna have to use these oars and get a workout. Say hello, Captain.
I wish it goes faster.
It is what it is. Hui! Gonna make me fall.
There's a kick to this, man. There's a little kick to it.
I'm gonna fall in the water. If this went any faster, I would definitely fall off the boat. Good thing it's nice and slow. Oh shit.
This thing moves.
I know, we're far. Don't fail on us now, because I'm not oaring. So Ray is going to fly the drone.
This is my 5th drone. I hope
that you
everything
don't
goes
crash.
well. Yeah.
Oh Lord, I pray you don't, it doesn't like malfunction and go in the water, because I cannot save it this time. you, Jesus. Jesus.
Hey, first.
Stop. Oh my gosh. He just successfully landed the drone, and you can ask him. I wasn't talking. I wasn't breathing. I was just praying the entire time. My fingers crossed. I was just
Your boy's a savage. After 5 drone crashes, come on, if you can't land that drone, you don't deserve one.
Oh
but,
my gosh.
hey, what's up?
I'm so happy that's over with. Oh, you have no idea. My heart.
My own little heart.
Cause you just destroy them like they're freaking dollars.
They are dollars.
No, they're hundreds of dollars. Thank you, Lord. He landed it. I could breathe. So that will conclude this portion of our day. We just wanted to take you along with us because we've never been on a boat. This is the first time his boat has touched the water, so we wanted to share that experience with you, get some good clips for you. We are now going to just hang out, chill, take our shirts off and tan. We're gonna eat our lunch and eat our chips. We got water and Gatorade and soda, even though it's gonna make us dehydrated. But I hope you guys enjoyed this boating clip, and we'll see you at our next adventure.
Hey, so peace.